And welcome back to the channel. It's another video, and today I'm going to talk about the pop-up headlights on a C5 Corvette. So today I'm going to show you guys what to look for, what to check, what are the symptoms before you go ahead and spend your money and buying parts. So let's check things out. Very quickly, everyone, I'd like to thank Auto TradeStar for sponsoring the channel. Auto TradeStar is a great website for monitoring your online investments 24/7. I will put a link in the description below, but for now, let's check out their website and see what they can do for you. Auto TradeStar empowers you to manage and automate multiple trading bot strategies simultaneously. Connect your Kraken account to buy and sell Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies manually or automatically through third-party bot alerts. Start your 8-day free trial today and take control of your crypto trading. All right, so here we have an 03. Pretty much all the models are the same from 97 or 98 to 04. Obviously they all have pop-up headlights, which we have two. In my situation, in this case, this side was not coming up. The other side was working, this side was not coming up. Few things to check. First of all, you got to pay attention to see or to hear any noises coming from the motor of each of these pop-up headlights. They all have a motor, which is right there. This is the cover. Sometimes, you know, this cover is on. It's a piece of plastic. You just remove it. If you don't hear any noises, because usually when you try to operate the lights, either bringing the lights up or down, this is the motor that does the work. And there are gears inside this motor that basically operate to lift up this panel. Unless the motor is completely dead, which in most cases that's not really the case. It just needs some adjustment, some tapping. But mainly what I did, in my case, that motor was not making any gear noises. Like you could hear, if the motor is bad, or if your gears are bad, or not spinning, you will hear some gear noises in there. That means they're slipping and they're not just have the power to bring up the headlight up or down. In my case, that was not, the motor was not making any noises, nothing. It was pitch silence. And what I did, I removed the cover, and you can actually adjust this. You can play around with this one. And this is also a helpful tip, that if your light is up and stuck, you can actually bring it down, spinning it, down. Obviously, if you want to bring it up for some reason, for those of you that need to replace the motor at some point, you have to crank this all the way up manually to be able to replace the motor. Well, in my case, I'm not replacing the motor, but I just really turned this to the left and to the right, and it started testing the light, and it started working again. Sometimes it gets stuck. As simple as it gets. It just simply gets stuck. I turn the knob to the left, turn the knob to the right. And you can also, make adjustments if you don't have a complete flush between the bumper and the headlight. That's how you pretty much adjust the pop-up light manually. That's all I really did, and everything started working. Again, you don't really need to necessarily replace any parts. At least troubleshoot, do the simple steps before you spend money and doing all the hard work. But sometimes, again, if you hear noises coming from this and the functionality is not there for you, then you have to replace this, which I will make another video as soon as this one dies or starts making noises. But at this point, I'm not replacing it. So there it goes. Quick DIY or quick tip for troubleshooting your pop-up headlights on a C5 Corvette. Folks, as always, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and peace.